What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how I did this glass paint. I decided to print Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck so I can give it to my niece. First, I'm going to clean the glass. So I got a dollar store picture frame, and all you need to do is just trace the glass with a permanent marker. So as you can see, I am just tracing Minnie Mouse and Daisy Duck. I actually got this idea from TikTok, so I decided to try it out, and this is my first time doing it, so let's see how it goes. I made sure I kept taking out the paper just to see if I missed any spots, which I did, so that helped a lot. Now I'm just looking at the picture on my laptop just to see what colors to use. So I'm starting off with Minnie Mouse's shoes, and in the photo she has pink, so I decided to do this kind of pink. So at first it's going to look a little bit weird, but later on it'll look okay. You have to make sure you're getting everything, because if you miss a spot, you'll be able to see that on the picture frame. I went over it more than once just to make sure that it looks solid. This took me about 2 hours to do, only because I took a few breaks so that I can let the paint dry, and then I would go over it again. The paint I'm using is acrylic, so it's a lot easier to paint with on glass. The paint I'm using is actually from another paint that I did the other day. It's those paintings that has those numbers on it and you just go over the numbers. So I'm not really sure what kind of paint this is, but it's from Amazon. As you can see, I'm going over the black lines, which is okay because on the other side you won't see the paint. If you ended up painting on the wrong side, you can just scrape it off with the back of the paintbrush and it will automatically come off. And you can repaint it again with the right color. Almost done! If you hold the glass up, it'll be easier to see if you missed any spots. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.